Hi everyone, today I'm going to make mango mojito mocktail. During summertime, I love making drinks with different fruits and mango is one of my favorite. I remember back in Nepal we used to get some of the most delicious mango in the southern part of Nepal and it was the fruit of choice for just about everyone. I am going to start off with some ripe mangoes. Start off by cutting mangoes into a small cube and put it into a blender and blend it until it turns into a fine puree. Then at the bottom of the glass, add some lime or lemon and some fresh mint and mash them together to get the juice and oil flowing. Then add the mango puree onto the glass. Add some honey or syrup into the glass. Finally top it off with some ice and salsa water. Mix them all together, taste and adjust as needed. This is so delicious, fresh and refreshing. It's really good. Enjoy everyone. Happy cooking!